Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Irwar and today I am going to start a video series on my NSEM exam paper of data science. First question. So here we have first question. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that integrates concepts from various domains such as computer science, statistics, machine learning and data analysis. With this in mind, answer the following. A. Explain the two primary paradigms of data research, hypothesis given and data-driven, providing example of for each. B. Describe the different types of data commonly encountered in data science: structured, unstructured, and quantitative, categorial, and big data, and give example of each. This is our first question, and we will answer it. So, what is hypothesis-driven research? Hypothesis-driven research is an approach where researchers start with a specific theory or hypothesis and collect data to test it. The main goal is to validate or invalidate a preconceived assumption through experiment or analysis. So, here we can see the example. A researcher might hypothesize that increased exercise leads to improved mental health. To test this, they would collect data on individual exercise habits and mental health outcomes and analyze whether there is a correlation. The hypothesis is defined in advance and the data is gathered to confirm or reject it. So we will see its key features. First, starts with a clear predefined question or hypothesis. Second, data is collected specifically to test this hypothesis. Third, analysis is focused on confirming or disapproving the hypothesis. Now we will learn what is data-driven research. In data-driven research, we will see its definition. So, data-driven research doesn't start with a specific hypothesis. Instead, the research is driven by the data itself. Patterns, trends, or insights are discovered through exploration of the data, often using techniques like machine learning or statistical analysis to uncover relationships that were not initially considered. We will look to the example. A company might have large amount of sales data and wants to find hidden pattern, such as which feature of a product contribute to higher sales. Rather than hypothesizing what factors might affect sales, they simply analyze the data to uncover correlation trends and outliers. What are the key features of data-driven research? First is it begins with data collection without a predefined hypothesis. Second is insights are discovered by exploration the data and applying computational uh, techniques. Third, frequently used in machine learning, where algorithms automatically identify patterns. Now we will learn about structured data. Structured data refers to the data that is organized in predefined manner, typically in tabular form with rows and columns. This type of data is easy to search, analyze, and process using traditional method. Example, a customer database containing fields like name, age, address, and purchase history, etc. Like we have account details we have already seen in our passbooks. Now we will look forward to the unstructured data. Unstructured data is data that does not have a specific format or structure. It can be textual or multimedia data, such as emails, social media posts, images, or video files. It requires pre-processing or transformation into a structured format before analysis. Example, social media post, customer review, or transcriptions of customer service calls. These are often text heavy and not easily organized into rows and columns without additional processing. And we can also see we write emails as the example of unstructured data. Now we will know about quantitative data. Quantitative data represents numerical values that can be measured and quantified. It can be further divided into discrete, countable, or continuous measurable types. Quantitative data is typically used in statistical analysis and machine learning models. Example, A dataset with columns like age, salary, height, or number of purchases. These values are numerical and can be subjected to mathematical operations, such as averages, sums, and variances. Now we will look forward to the categorial data. Categorial data refers to the data that represents categories or groups. It is often quantitative and includes labels or identifiers that are not inherently numerical. Categorial data can be nominal, no inherent order, or ordinal with a defined order. Example: a dataset of product types, electronic, clothing, food is categorical. The categories are not numerical, but they can be grouped and analyzed by frequency. An example of ordinal data would be educational level. Now we will learn about big data. Big data refers to extremely large and complex data sets that are difficult to process using traditional data processing techniques due to their volume, velocity, and variety. Big data often requires distributed computing and advanced analytics tools to manage and extract useful insights. Example of big data: the data generated by social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter, which includes millions of posts, tweets, comments, likes, and interactions. The volume is vast. The data is coming in rapidly velocity, and includes various types of data such as text, image, and videos. So here I would like to summarize it. Basically, what is hypothesis-driven research? It starts with a specific question or theory and gathers data to test it. Data-driven research is it explores the data to uncover patterns, trends, or relationships without predefined hypotheses. And types of data: we have structured data, unstructured data, quantitative data, categorical data, and big data. And these concepts form the backbone of the data science and are integral to understand how to approach and analyze and interpret data. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching.